This man wrote in 1924 a simple but seminal paper on mathematics, bringing God's awesome powers in the front lines of mankind here in 2000s. Inadvertently, he may have shown the flash picture of our soul. My name is Ramana Anamaraju. I'm a physicist, healthcare specialist, and above all spiritualist. Science of Hindu is my personal journey to find the ultimate truth about the nature through science, in particular quantum physics, Hindu Vedic scriptures, Christianity and Buddhism. I'm on journey to find that elusive truth and ready to go wherever it takes me, whatever it does. If you like pushing sciences to the extreme realms of spirituality, you will enjoy this thought-provoking journey. As you know, there are 4 states of matter: solids, liquids, gases and plasma, and there is a new one that is being added. Is called a Bose Einstein Condensate state. As strange as the name sounds, the 5th state of matter is exotic and a peculiar of peculiar states. If we take a cup of steam and cool it, it becomes water, and if you further cool it, the water, it becomes ice. But what happens to ice if you cool it all the way close to the absolute zero temperature? Very, very close to the absolute temperature that is almost comparable to the coldest spot in the universe. You see, a strange and exotic transformation takes place. Ice, which is solid state, becomes a colorful wave. The state, that colorful wave, is called a Bose Einstein Condensate state. You can see with the naked eye the colorful quantum vertices of Bose Einstein Condensate state. This state exhibits a quite exotic and mind-boggling properties. Light beam traveling at speeds approximately 186,000 miles per second comes to almost grinding halt when it passes through Bose Einstein Condensate state. It may not be far-fetched to say you can hold light in your fist. The effect of light going through Bose Einstein Condensate is best explained by science fiction writer Bob Shaw. The book Light of the Other Days is a story that introduced the concept of slow glass through which the past can be seen. It assumes light takes 10 years to pass through a special slow glass to come from one side to the other side. So when you look through this glass, you see what was happening 10 years ago. A family man with a quiet content with his wife and child. Now take the glass out. Now you are transformed into present day. You see a man lost his wife and child and is lonely and sad. That is effect of light going slow, the glass being a Bose Einstein Condensate material. Besides these strange and bizarre effects, Bose Einstein Condensate has a lot of other applications in the field of quantum computing, superconductivity, and host of other applications in medicine. The unassuming man who wrote this seminal paper in 1924 is Satyendranath Bose. Bose was born into a family of 7 sisters in Calcutta, India under British rule. His father was told by a Hindu astrologer that his son is going to be the world famous. Astrologer predictions could not have been better. More than 10 Nobel Prizes are awarded in the field related to Bose Einstein Condensate state. A simple statistical error, assuming coin has 2 heads instead of 1 head and 1 tail, lead to an important groundbreaking phenomena in science. Bose's paper was rejected at first by his peers for not worthy of publication. Einstein lent his name to Bose. Thus it became famous Bose Einstein Condensate. After 75 years of Bose prediction, after his long passing, Eric Cornell, Carl Wieman and Wolfgang Ketteral produced the first Bose Einstein Condensate in Denver, Colorado. The atomic clouds that are floating that you see on the screen are produced by Bose Einstein Condensate state at Georgia Tech in Atlanta, Georgia under the guidance of Dr. Michael Chapman in recent times. By following by tradition of pushing sciences to the extreme realms of spirituality, if we believe soul is an information content, then after our death, presumably, Bose Einstein Condensate, which represents our soul, is the one that escapes from our body and re-enter into the body that is beginning of its life journey. Hindus believe soul is eternal and will assume the different forms of life through different bodies. That is called reincarnation. Thank you for listening.